guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sakshi and it would really mean a lot if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Okay, so for today's video, I will be reviewing the new K-Beauty foundation which I just got yesterday from a Nykaa store. And I was searching this for online, but I am not good with online foundation shade matching. So yeah, I just went to the store and got it myself. This is the foundation. This is how it looks. Very sleek packaging. But with this, I will be also reviewing their K-Beauty matte blush. I love matte blush. I just don't like shimmer in my blushes at all. So yeah, this will be the two products I will be reviewing today. And yeah, let's get started with the video. Okay, so before we start the review, actual review, I just want to give out a few information which are very important when you buy an online foundation. So this is their chart, the foundation shade chart, and they have light skin, medium skin, tan skin, deep skin, tone shades, and the foundation comes in 20 shades, which is I think really very good for the Indian brand, because the Indian brand doesn't have a lot of foundation shades and most of them are in the light categories and does not suit our skin tone for some reason. But yeah, I am in the medium shade tone category and my shade is 125 by N. Also there is written like Y, P and N, which probably stands for Y stands for yellow, P stands for pink, and then N stands for neutral undertone. So yeah, that helps in finding your shade much properly. A quick way to actually find your undertone is if you have green veins on your hands, and like I have green, right? So I have yellow undertone right here. And if you have blue veins, you are probably neutral or something. I just don't remember it, but I will definitely insert some information right here on the screen. So yeah, yeah. So they have pretty much good shade, and I really like their shade range. This is my perfect shade, and yeah, I'm really very excited how this looks on me. Another thing is I just wanted to give out their care ingredients, which is avocado butter and then mango butter. Also they have hyaluronic acid, which is I love that thing so much. I have a really dry skin, right? So anything with hyaluronic acid in it, I want it because it gives me all the moisture in the world. So yeah, this has avocado butter, which hydrates the skin and reduces appearance of age spots and wrinkles. I don't have wrinkles, but yeah, which it's still great for my skin. A mango butter, which brightens the skin while leaving it soft and supple. I love the word supple so much. And then hyaluronic acid, which retains moisture and gives a plumping effect to the skin. Love, love, love the ingredients. Again, I'll insert a clip over here, or picture over here. And this brand is cruelty free, vegan, and paraben free. And yeah, so here it says that why make it yours, like the perfect foundation. So it has natural hydrated UV finish, lightweight and second skin feel, ultra creamy luxurious texture, locks in moisture, all day comfort wear, natural to high buildable coverage. So yeah, there is, you can build up the coverage definitely. Blurs imperfection, perfect for all skin types. I definitely like the foundation before trying it because they are promising you so many good things. So yeah, let's try the foundation. Okay, so this is the packaging. Love it. Also, I forgot to tell you that this retails for rupees 1200, and this is a 30-gram product, which according to me is a really good deal. I mean, foundations which come between 1000 and 1500 are probably good, and they are really good in investing. So yeah, you should definitely get a hand on this one. If I like it, I'll let you know. This is the bottle, very sleek, very nice. I like the white top of it. When you open it, it comes with a pump, which is the most exciting part because I have foundations like Wet n Wild which comes with a spatula, and it is really very not hygienic to me, so I definitely prefer a pump. Yeah, I'm gonna start. Give this a good shake, and then I'm gonna take just a pump first. Okay, this is the consistency. What do you call it? Yeah, whatever. This is the texture, and it's thick, definitely thick. So I'm gonna put my hair back, and I've already moisturized my face, put on my SPF. Okay, this is like very thick, and this should be my match. and start blending it. Just blend it right away in my skin, bro. I don't have a beauty blender to try with it right now, but I'm sure the beauty blender soaks up a lot of product. Yeah, I prefer brush actually. If you have a good brush, or PAC has a really good brush in the shade 252, the foundation brush. I want it good. Look how weird I look. Okay, I'm gonna blend my forehead. Okay. I really like how my skin is looking right now. Definitely better, and the shade is a perfect match for me. Definitely. I'm gonna see if this builds up a little. I'm gonna take like a half pump. That's it. Okay, so this is half a pump, and I'm gonna just build up a little bit on my cheeks because I want a little. Okay, it is a buildable foundation. I'll tell that you for sure. Feels lightweight and it's non-sticky. Definitely non-sticky. Feels lightweight and what to tell you more. Does not feel like very matte. It says it is a hydrating foundation. So I think I really like the foundation. The shade is really good. I used 1.5 pump for my whole face and a little bit on my neck, which is a good deal I think for a foundation, because yeah, you can definitely build the coverage if you want, or share down the coverage, whatever. Yeah, that's it for the foundation review, I guess. Now I'll do my whole face like makeup, and then I'll come back for the blush review. Okay, so guys, I'm done with my makeup. Really wanted to tell you that I didn't apply blush, but I applied a little bit of bronzer and then highlighter. Nothing moved or budged on foundation. Okay, so about blush, I bought the shade Sugar Candy. I wanted something on the peachy corally side. I actually really wanted the shade Coral Charm. It's a very corally blush, but I didn't get that. It was not in stock, so I instead got Sugar Candy. They have total 8 shades, and here's the chart again, which is a really good shade range. I think they have pinks and deep plums, peach and nude, every kind of shade they have in here, which is I think a proper, there are a lot of options for you to choose them. So yeah, that is really good thing. And her ingredient is again avocado butter and mango butter, but again her compact ingredient are the same. Avocado butter and mango butter are the most used ingredients, and then there is hyaluronic acid and vitamin E in the compact powder. Key ingredients are the avocado butter and mango butter. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. Now we'll just move on. The blush retails for rupees 800. Yeah, and it has 8.5 grams of product in it. Also, it comes with a mirror. What more do you need, guys? This shade, this is the packaging is like very, and then this is the shade. I want to swatch. Ooh, it's very soft to the touch. I should like swatch it. The fact that it comes with a mirror is a plus for me. I don't want anything now. Okay, so let's apply the blush. Yeah, let's try it. I'm gonna take a brush. It's pigmented AF. Yeah, there's a kick out. There's a lot of kick out in the pan. Yeah, it's definitely pigmented. You guys can see through the camera as well. Love this blush. If it lasts long, I will definitely love it more. How it looks. It looks good to me. Okay, now we'll apply lipstick and then we are done. Okay, so I'm back with my earrings on. Final verdict of the blush, and the foundation. Really like the foundation. This is definitely for dry skin types. If you're dry skin type, definitely go for it. I will do a wear test and I'll let you guys know like if the foundation still. I just wanted to see how long this foundation lasts, because there are no claims how long this lasts. So yeah, I just wanted to see that. And yeah, definitely give it a go. I love this foundation. Get your shade right is all I want you to know. And coming to blush, really love the blush also. As I said, if this stays for a long time, this will be my favorite blush. It does not have shimmer powders in it, but I think you should definitely try if you're into matte blush. Love the color. The specific color is Sugar Candy. Love this. So yeah, I think I like both the products for now. I just wanted to show you like a very close up look. Not a very close up, but yeah, you get it right. This is the blush. The foundation looks really very good. Okay, please, I really like it. So it's been 3 hours since I've applied the foundation. I applied at 3 p.m. and it's 6 p.m. right now. The blush is intact and the foundation is also looking good. Nothing with dry patches or anything. So yeah, so far so good. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really like the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much. Bye.